I'm Chris Inman, your National REEA Executive Director, and what a beautiful day it is today. I'm so excited to have you all join us for the installation of our 25-26 REEA Board of Directors. This morning, afternoon, depending on what time it is for you, I would like to introduce to you a REEA past president and a REEA DREI council member for many years, Mr. Brad Barker, DREI GSI, who is here today to install Jennifer and her board.
Yay.
Thank you, Brad, for being here.
Thank you, Chris, very much. It's definitely my honor to do this today. Good morning to everyone. Great to see everyone. It is both an honor and a privilege for us all to be here today on behalf of the Real Estate Educators Association, REEA, as we officially install our newly elected officers and directors. This is not just a ceremonial occasion. It marks the continuation of leadership, vision, and dedication to the mission of REEA. As an organization, we are built on a foundation of integrity, professionalism, and service to others, mainly service to others by all means. The individuals before us have been selected by you, their peers, to represent and lead with those same values in mind. Each officer and director installed today will take office on July 1st, 2025. First, we are installing our 2025 through 2026 officers and directors. It's my pleasure as past president of REEA to present to you the new 2025 through 2026 REEA board members you've elected to assist your new president in her administration. Would you each please wave as I call your name? So we will begin with our officers. The first one is John Gillum, DREI GSI GSL 2025 through 2026 REEA president-elect. Good to see you, John. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Also, as an officer, we have Amy Klingensmith, DREI, one of our newest DREIs. Congratulations, Amy. 2025 through 2026 REEA secretary. We next, as an officer, have Jan Ellingson, DREI GSI GSL, 2025 through 2027 REEA treasurer. Wave, Jan, thank you. And we also have Maurice Taylor, DREI GSI 2025 through 2026 REEA immediate past president and all-around great guy, Maurice Taylor. And now your directors. Again, as I call your name, please wave. Returning this year for the second-year term, we have Kizzy Crawford Heath, DREI JD 2024 through 2026 REEA director. Good to have you, Kizzy. We also have Janie Wood, GSI GSL 2024 through 2026 REEA director. Thank you, Janie. And then new this year to our board, Deborah Gisrael, also a recent DREI. Congratulations, Deborah, GSI 2025 through 2027 REEA director. Great to have you, Deborah. And Susie Lebert, DREI and GSI 2025 through 2027 REEA director. Thank you, Susie. Thank you all. Your role as a board member carries both responsibility and trust, responsibility to act in the best interest of our membership and mission, and trust from those who have elected you to represent them with diligence, wisdom, and care. At this time, I would ask our incoming officers and directors to please raise your right hand and respond at the appropriate moments. So if you eight would please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly promise to uphold, support, and abide by the bylaws of the Real Estate Educators Association and to advance the mission, values, and policies of this organization? If so, please respond, I do.
I do.
I do.
Do you further pledge to devote the time, energy, and commitment necessary to promote the growth, effectiveness, and overall welfare of this association and to faithfully execute the duties and responsibilities of the office to which you have been elected? If so, please respond, I do.
I do.
I do.
You may now lower your hands. Your willingness to serve is a testament to your commitment, not only to our members at REEA, but also to the broader community of real estate education professionals across the entire country. With your affirmations, and on behalf of the current leadership and membership of REEA, I now formally declare you duly installed as officers and directors of the Real Estate Educators Association. We thank you for your dedication, your service, and your leadership. And quite honestly, a big thank you from me personally as well. After serving on the board for a couple of times now, I know how much of commitment and time commitment that it takes, and your service is definitely appreciated. Thank you all very, very much. We now come to a very special part of today's ceremony, the formal installation of the incoming president of the Real Estate Educators Association. Leadership at the presidential level requires more than just experience or a willingness to serve. It demands vision, courage, and an unwavering dedication to the mission of our association. The individual we install today has demonstrated all of these qualities and more, for sure. It is not by chance, Jennifer, that you have been chosen as our president for the year ahead. You have ably demonstrated your dedication and service to the association through your service to the membership. We now publicly thank you for the services rendered in the past and charge you with the responsibility of carrying on in the tradition of leadership so ably demonstrated by those who have shouldered the burdens of the presidency of this association in the past. The men and women of the Real Estate Educators Association have seen fit to bestow upon you the highest honor within their power by appointing you the chief executive of this association to serve in the year ahead. REEA has come far since its inception, and now you stand where only a select few associated with real estate education have ever stood. On a personal note, Jennifer, first time I met you, we were at a GSI class at a conference several years ago. I think it was maybe San Antonio. The first time I met you, I remember thinking, wow, she is really sharp. And as a matter of fact, after the session was over, I asked Jennifer, I said, Jennifer, I need about 100 state law questions for the state that she has her school in. And I said, maybe over the next couple of months, I'll be glad to pay you for your time and effort. Could you maybe give me some questions? And she said, sure, Brad, I'll get that for you. I kid you not. The next day, she had the questions to me. I was thinking, my goodness, this lady is really extraordinary. I'll always remember that, Jennifer. Also serving on the board, one of my memories with you serving on the board was about 3 years ago. I was in charge of a 3-year strategic planning session, and I really did not know what I was doing. And finally, towards the end, Jennifer just stood up, got a marker, went to the whiteboard and said, we got 3 areas. Here's area 1, here's area 2, here's area 3, just off the top of her head. And I remember thinking, wow, Jennifer, you're amazing. And I was also thinking, thank you for saving me that day as well. Quite impressive, your willingness to share and take charge. Also, just serving on the board with you, Jennifer, the wisdom you bring, the great ideas you share with us, your ability to communicate, your ability to get along with others, just truly remarkable. It really is. Plus, you bring a great personality as well. You are truly the total package, Jennifer. You really are. I'm blessed. I'm blessed to have you as my friend. So with that, Jennifer, will you now take the oath of office? I will. Okay, so please raise your right hand, Jennifer. Do you agree to spend the time and energy necessary for the promotion of the growth, betterment, and general welfare of this association by assuming and fulfilling the duties and responsibilities of the office to which you have been elected? If so, please respond, I do.
I do.
Jennifer, as president, you will be entrusted with guiding REEA through the next chapter of its journey. You will serve as a primary ambassador of our mission, the steward of our values, and the chair of this board. Your leadership will influence not just the direction of the organization, but also the experience and impact we have on our members, our partners, and the real estate education community at large. Do you solemnly pledge and agree to uphold and abide by and support the bylaws and mission of the Real Estate Educators Association, to lead with integrity, transparency, and professionalism, and to faithfully execute the duties and responsibilities of the office of president? If so, please respond, I do.
I do.
And do you agree to spend the time and energy necessary for the promotion of the growth, betterment, and general welfare of this association by assuming and fulfilling the duties and responsibilities of the office to which you have been elected? If so, please respond, I do.
I do.
You further commit to fostering collaboration, promoting innovation, and ensuring that REEA continues to thrive as a community of excellence in real estate education? If so, please respond, I do.
I do.
You may now lower your hand. Then, with great confidence in your leadership and full support from this body, I now formally declare you as our 2025 through 2026 president of the Real Estate Educators Association. Yeah, let's give her a hand right now. I absolutely. On behalf of the entire REEA membership, we congratulate you and thank you for stepping forward to serve, Jennifer. Truly, we do. May your term be marked by strength, insight, and lasting impact. One more time, please welcome me. Please join me, should I say. Pardon me. Please join me in welcoming your 2025 through 2026 REEA President, Jennifer Nicely. Okay. Before we close, we would like to take a moment to recognize and express our deepest gratitude to the members of our board who are completing their terms of service. So to our outgoing directors, Will Parker, DREI, GSI, and Vicki Rogers, DREI, GSI. Will and Vicki, while your former roles may be concluding, we sincerely thank you for your time, your heart, and your unwavering belief in the power of REEA and real estate education. We know you aren't going far. We thank you again for all you've done to help us move forward at REEA. And lastly, and certainly not least, my good friend, Dr. Conrad Richards, our immediate past president. There's Conrad. Dr. Conrad, you've made a lasting impact on this organization, for sure. And no doubt, you have helped guide REEA through challenges and opportunities alike, and your contributions will continue to shape the path forward. Your legacy of service and commitment will remain forever. Please join me in offering a round of applause in appreciation of his dedicated service. Thank you, Conrad. Congratulations once again to all of our new officers and directors, and thank you to those who have served with distinction. Together we move forward, stronger, united, and focus on our shared mission. Please mark your calendars now and join us in Myrtle Beach. Jennifer can't wait for the Myrtle Beach Conference coming up for our 2025 annual business meeting, which will be on Thursday, July 31st of 2025. And we all look forward to seeing you all next month. And with that said, Chris, I'll turn it back over to you as we conclude.
Sorry. Thank you so much, Brad. That was beautiful. And congratulations to all of our new officers and directors. Jennifer, you have anything you'd like to say?
Yes, actually, I was trying to type as fast as I could because I didn't know if I was going to have an opportunity. So I have a half of a chat, so I'll say it here. Thank you all for being here. I know it is a Monday. Mondays are tough for everyone, and we're across the country, and you didn't have to be here, and you chose to be here. So thank you to all of the outgoing board, or from the outgoing board and the incoming board, that all of you were here to witness it. So that means a lot to all of us. The outgoing board I've served several years with, and I'm going to miss so many of them dearly. And I appreciate all of the time and effort you've put into this organization. It is a volunteer position, and there has been a lot of time spent volunteering for this organization. So thank you on behalf of the organization for your service and for your time. For the incoming board, I am excited. I hope you're ready to roll, because we're about to put our boots on and do this. So we've got a lot in the works, a lot of plans that are happening. For those of you that are still on here, there is a survey in your email. Please take 10 minutes to go fill that out for us. Actually, it's less than 10 minutes for you to fill it out, because I did mine right before we logged on here. We need your feedback from our members of the organization, because we are going to be doing that strategic planning meeting that we do every 3 years that Brad was mentioning, and we need your feedback. So if you'll please take some time to fill that out for us. It is coming from Martin and Downs. We would greatly appreciate it, because that's going to be our blueprint moving forward, is to provide value to all of you, our members, and to make sure that this organization is going to be here for the long term, for the longevity. So I'm excited for our incoming board. Congratulations to all of you. The fact that you're on this board means that our membership has faith in your leadership. So thank you for volunteering. And Brad, thank you for installing us today. You are one of my favorite people in this world, and I appreciate the fact that you took time today to install all of us. And you're right, but we met in Atlanta, Georgia. So I think
that was it.
Yeah. and we hit it off right away. So thank you all. I hope to see you in Myrtle. If you haven't registered, please register. We need that head count for multiple reasons. So, Chris, I'm going to hand it back to you.
Thank you, Jenny. I'm excited about our new board, for the new ones coming on. It's always such a pleasure for Rick and I to be working with you all. I'm gonna really miss Dr. Conrad. I'm gonna miss Will. And Vicky's been a great asset as well. So thank you. But before we close this out, I know that you'll be hearing more from him in Myrtle Beach. But Maurice, where'd you go? You turned off your, there you are. Did you want to say anything to your outgoing board? Give you the opportunity?
Not really, but I will. You want me to say something?
Like I said, he's the one that always makes us laugh and smile, right, Maurice?
Okay, I will say something. On a serious note, I just want to thank everyone who as Jennifer said, chose to serve on the 25-26 board of directors. You guys have been wonderful. We had a few challenges, but we worked through them. I'm so happy that Conrad left me in good shape. I hope I'm leaving Jennifer in good shape, and then that we were able to steer the ship in the right direction, and continue to go in the right direction, and build this organization so that the future leadership moving forward will have a good solid base and a good solid direction to go. So again, thank you guys for a fantastic year. I'm looking forward to helping my friend Jennifer in her leadership next year as the past president. And I'm sure that it's going to be a fantastic journey. So looking forward to it. And thank you again for allowing me to serve.
Thank you for a wonderful year of serving. We've enjoyed every minute of it with you, Maurice. Thank you. Unless anybody else has anything they would like to say. Will, did you want to say anything? He's been such an intricate and doing so much for us. Thank you, Will.
Thank you for the opportunity. I appreciated it.
Dr. Conrad?
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. It's been really a great experience from beginning to end. I've been on the board for, for about 6 years now, and we've gone through so much development and so much experiences, and Chris and Rick and the whole team, the committees. Oh, fabulous, fabulous. This is something for the books. And I wouldn't have done anything else. This has been fantastic journey for me, and for Jennifer, and for Maurice. Well, actually, Maurice and then Jennifer is continuing this, and I'm sure that John will do the same. There's one thing I like to just say though. One of the most important things was our intellectual property, and even though I'm going to make this statement again at some point with Chris. But we have succeeded and we are approved. So I'll give you all the details about that, after this meeting. But once again, I just want to say that it's a fantastic journey, and I'll continue to be an advocate for REEA. Thank you all.
Thank you, Dr. Conrad. It's been our pleasure working with you all these years. It's gonna be weird not having you on the board. Vicky sends her regards. She is on vacation, the first vacation her and her husband have been on in a long time. I told her not to worry, and so she sends her regards. And again, thank you everybody for being here today. We appreciate you. We can't wait to see you in Myrtle Beach. If, like Jenny said, if you haven't registered yet, make sure you get that done. And if you haven't booked your hotel room, make sure you get that done too. Jenny, anything last minute things? Nope, you're good. All right, we'll see you all in Myrtle Beach. Thank you again for being here today. Congratulations to our new board of directors and officers.
Thank you. Congratulations, everyone.